and it's Vincent. Today I'm going to show you how to cook Chinese crispy pork. So now this is a board from the waitress, the nice piece of the pork belly. So now I'm going to put it in the wok and boil them for 20 minutes. And so now here I'm going to put that in nicely, and also in the water I add some star essence. So after 20 minutes boiling, now I'm going to take the pork out and also put it in the cold water and just cool down the meat. Yeah. I'm going to wash them. Okay, now next one I'm going to just get all the skin top layer, because it's very important we want skin and crispy. So we just take all the top layer. Look. So now we're going to cut basically, but not all the way through, just down to the skin. Yeah. Yeah, don't make sure don't cut through the skin. Once you slice through the meat, then turn around. So very important next one stage is try to make a lot of holes on top skins. And later on, when we start putting in the oven, and also easy to get through the skin and also make skin breathe and also get crispy nicely. Now, next one, we're gonna have a spices. Okay, so this is 5 spicy powder. This is salt, and this is white pepper powder. Okay, so what we'll do now, you're going to mix them. So then what we'll do now, next one is start to put all the spice in the meat inside. Okay, now when you marinate, put all the spices in the meat now, but don't put on top of the skin. So now what we'll do now, we're going to put it in the fridge and for a couple of hours. Let's marinate. Let's let all the spices go into the meat. Okay. Later we'll afterwards put in the oven. Ready? Mm-hmm. Okay. So now after as we put it in the fridge for a couple of hours, I come out now. So what do now? You're going to have a white vinegar. So before we're going to use a white vinegar, so we're going to get a tissue and clean up all this. So now we're going to put a white vinegar on top of the skin, just rub on. So what happens now is helps the skin and crispy dry quickly, and the white vinegar. Yeah. Okay, now after that, pork there. So now in the oven, first we're going to do the oven 200 degree. Now put the bottom and get a little bit of fat drips on the bottom, right? So we're going to close them for about 30 minutes. Okay, now it's 30 minutes now, and we're going to turn up to 240 and another 10 minutes, get the skin a bit more crispy. So, looking forward now. So now it's done. Full. Wow, look at that. Okay. So now after 15 minutes settled down, we're going to cut them through. Ready? Now look at that crispy pork, roast pork.